Hello and welcome to this item UI tutorial. This video will show you how to print a label for a processed record in the RMS system. First, select the customer and click Save. Once the customer has been selected, search for the record you want to work on and select the checkbox of the records. After selecting the records, hover your mouse over the Batch Print button, and the system will display all the available options to print. Once the user selects any of the options, the system will display a window, and the user just has to fill in all the information. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.